is in town. One day, Pacey was at the work. He couldn't with the double head brought better, and they said he was serious. You box, he cracked. We might take you and me on the walks. But who will come answer? I mean to see to that. The black double head and Henry buckled out. Take Pacey to work so they can walk. Gabby shoe pale shoe with Thomas and he puffed away. What did you hear the dogs? Anyway, castle long, the bird wakes up with the paw will die. Shanty, the global giraffe is on the best of the coaties. Then said they fell by your instinct, but they weren't so. Hello, you donkeys. Don't grin as like that, you bastard. Don't call me filthy and goodbye, Benson said and he left. But he just left with a double hair wife. Susie, great to see you. What in the matter? Hey, here for a baby, so I sent him to the work. So you put the mail train. Yes, great. I got that. I'll be party to you, man. Put the mail train. The double head said every day he's that. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not morning. I never put the mail tray before, cried Ziggy. Besides, how the heck? Yeah. What the hell I go to do? Put in the mail tray when Ziggy climbed out. The mail train is for your manual dogs. I heard that they cover her and they tell time to get for them. I hope I feel about it. Getting my lab back to Nazareth. This is a final over. Mine for the same. Later in Vicente back with the mail train. He was still nervous about his new shop. I never know about this. Next time I survive. Oh, hey, Titi. Oh, that time it's a good. You do it. Easy, I put my tray, but take my advice, do it. We are gonna buy. What do you do, my city? No mail is it? Oh, you can do this. You have to do this. Let's cut on me. Let's do this. This. Then the part of the line, nervously. So on the first day, he was happy to be the first dog. Wake walk city. The reply walk me. Thank you. Then never let the dog to get going. Yes, sir. And me wait to watch the dogs. This will put it in the line. We have been gently see boy well at the door. But for it, the crank was so sleepy, he didn't want to do about the 31 clean on. But it was too late. Looking on by her by the lady that appear on his side. The next day they sent Thomas White to this rescue. Judy replied the top head. Do you see? Did he turn to a pocket? No, he did. What you talk about, Zuti? I quite warn you. No, with that, you did warn me about your buffers. Oh, my bad. Replied Thomas. Thomas, you clearly missed. He did told Zuti. Better be back tomorrow, and you might head to the milk bread punishment. But Zuti got fat. Yes, but Thomas, he gets in stuff to clear the mess. Then soon, the two ended poop Zenty back onto the wheels. Fake guys. Nobody comes to the tea. Never still to return to work. He still teaches so put the manager from time to time. But now he no one. But now he will don't want be on tour of now. Naziti that he knows that as the best ever. Oh yeah.